Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 7th September 2021. Here this is the problem they have given. Reverse flash pattern. Flash pattern? What the was that? So they have given a number of n. We just make 2 star n minus 1 lines which contains 1, 2, 3 in a jumbled order which doesn't make any sense. Like 1, 2, 3, we just need to reverse the nth line. So it will be like 5, 4, 3, and we just need to be on the original flow with incremented star. What the crap? So let me solve this shit. N equal to int of input. So in this line, we just need to make the iteration for I in range of 2 star n minus 1, which was given by the SKIDMARK. And inside this, we just need to print star into I, comma separation equal to nothing. So this will print a star for n lines. In first line, we have 0 star, right? The range operator will give you something like 0 to n, right? So we will get 0, 1, 2, 3 kind of star like that. But we don't need that. We just need to get the star 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 likewise, right? For that I am going to create another variable j equal to 0, and instead of this star I am going to put j. So now we will get the format, and we just need to print the n integer on the nth line, right? If I is equal to n minus 1, we just need to print the list of range of, wait a minute, where was the incrementer? Like the value should be printed inside it. So for that I'm going to take another variable called t is equal to 1, because they are starting the value from 1 to n. It's kind of annoying while changing the tabs. So t comma t plus n. We just need to print all those values in a reverse order, right? So I'm specifying -1, and to get rid of the space in between them, I'm going to specify separation equal to nothing. So this will happen for the nth line, which is nothing but a half of the pattern. Otherwise we just need to print j and t. For each print statement, the value should be incremented by 1, right? T plus equal to 1 and j plus equal to 1. Inside this, or after the middle, we just need to make the pattern count to 1. So if I save and run this, we will get something like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3. Oh my god. I just need to specify t plus equal to n. So we are printing n line here, right? So we just need to increment by n. Now we will get the proper output, I guess. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. Hope we will meet with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye. And அந்த லைக் அண்ட் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அதெல்லாம் போட்டு அமுக்கி விட்டு போங்க சும்மா இல்லாமல்.